guys, so today I have a Halara haul. I'm wearing one of the items, which is jeans, but I'll do like a full, I'll show you guys it all on. But first, I got some leggings. So these are like really nice and thin, but quite like, they've got this cute little crisscross in the front, which I think is actually really flattering, especially if you are someone who has a little bit of a shorter torso like I do. A lot of the ones that come up super high, if they don't have like this cross, it just like shows off my lower part of my tummy more. And these are super cute. They have little pockets on the side. They are, I think, 25 inch. I'm excited to try them out. I got a size large. And then I also got these ones because I think they're so pretty for fall. It's like this really gorgeous berry tone. These ones do have the higher waist, so it does kind of just come up straight. And then they've also got the little pockets on the side. And again, I think they're like a 3/4 inch, or what is it? It's like the 7/8 length or whatever. I got a large in these as well, but I thought this would be really cute to pair off with one of my favorite hoodies. I love these. I have them in so many different colors. I got some more because I thought these were perfect for fall. They're just these really loose, like flowy, super comfortable, wide leg pants. So they've got like a really nice wide leg. Huge big pocket here, stretchy waistband, so comfortable, so cozy, just wear with like a hoodie or even just like a little long sleeve shirt. Like they're just super comfortable. If it's not quite cold where you live in the fall, I feel like these are really nice because they're flowy, so they let some airflow, but then you look kind of like fall and festive, but they're so comfortable. Also grabbed these. These look really cute. They're kind of like a little flare bottom, black, kind of like a denim, but it's like a stretchy denim. So it's almost like if a yoga pant and black jeans had a baby, this would be it. So I'm excited to try these on. They are flared. They have these cute little pockets on the back, which I think is adorable, and little pockets in the front, but they do have that nice little crisscross front, which I love. How gorgeous are these for fall? These are like their waffle knit pant, super flowy, wide leg, really comfortable. They do have nice big pockets, a stretchy waistband, little belt loops, but no zip or anything. And they're just like such a pretty color for fall. I did get this little turtleneck sweater, which looked really cute. So it's got like a big long turtleneck, kind of like bat wing sleeve where it's like a little bit bigger here in the armpit. And then just like nice fitted long sleeve. It's a sweater material, but it's kind of ribbed and it's actually really, really soft. Then it has like a little V at the bottom. So it's actually really interesting. I thought it'd be really cute paired off with a few of those pants. Then I got a pair of hot red leggings for the holidays to pair off with my favorite red hoodies. Sometimes you just don't want to wear sweats. I felt like these would be really cute with like a white hoodie zip up, or red, just like you're just gonna look like Santa, but in leggings. And again, they do have the little pocket. They're like the berry ones. I got a large, hopefully they fit. But yeah, nice compressive waistband. It feels like they're really gonna suck you in. I will have all of these linked through YouTube shopping. So on the screen, there'll just be a little thing that says like, what does it say? I don't even know. Shop products or something. You click on that and they will all pop up that way so that you guys can easily shop while you're watching the video. It pulls up on the side and then you can kind of look through everything. So it makes it nice because then you can still watch me while you're shopping, which is pretty handy. Definitely check that out so you guys can easily take a look at everything, see what other colors they come in. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this try on and let's get started. Okay guys, so first are these jeans. Oh my gosh, they are so comfortable. They basically feel like you're wearing like leggings or sweatpants. They're the softest, most stretchy material ever. I'm obsessed. They feel so, so good. That is what the waistband looks like. So very, very stretchy, you guys. You do have the pockets. You also have pockets on the bum, but they're just like a nice little wide leg. Super comfortable. I just have it paired off with a hoodie right now. These are going to be a fall staple for me. I will be living in these because I can throw them on with a hoodie or a cute little sweater, and they're so comfortable. Okay guys, so here's those red leggings. They're actually quite opaque for like a light color. I thought they were gonna show more. They're pretty sturdy little leggings. I just paired off with some cute little white sneakers. This is exactly why I got this, because I really wanted it to just be like the perfect red legging with this gorgeous red zip up. This is so cute, so cozy. It has tons of pockets and it's so perfect for the holidays, especially if you're traveling, because it has like a ton of different pockets. So there's like little zip pockets inside of each of these little ones here. There's also a pocket on the sleeve. There's a pocket on that sleeve. And there's even a zip pocket right here that's like sneaky on the side. I look so Christmassy, but you could also pair it off with like a white hoodie as well. They do show a little bit of cellulite, guys. You can kind of see a few dimples, but I love that little pocket there. I feel like that's nice. But they are pretty compressive, and like for red, like they do have a good amount of coverage. Paired off the leggings with like a light heather gray hoodie. Same hat, same shoes, but I've just paired it off with a different hoodie, and like I feel like this is actually really cute. I have this in a 2XL. This is in the color light heather gray. I'll have everything linked for you guys. This is nice because it comes down past the bum. It's a little bit of a wider fit. So if you guys want to wear it with leggings this fall, it doesn't matter what color you wear it with, it's gonna look really cute. Like this one is like a really cute, like festive, like holiday inspired one. So yeah, love that. Love the little contrast of the super light with the bright pop. Okay, here's those berry leggings, you guys. I literally got them to wear with this bag, these little slipper clog mules, whatever you want to call them, and this hoodie, because this is my favorite hoodie. I live in this in the winter time. Like it's actually so cozy and comfortable. I have it with the straight leg pants, but I really wanted it with like a pair of leggings, but I wanted it to wear like over leggings that were tight because it's so long on the bum. And then it's so cute paired off with these little mules because they have like little burgundy detailing and the leopard. So it's so cute. And then I paired it off with a cream beanie and this cute little bag that's the perfect tone for fall. If it's not comfortable, I'm not wearing it. I'm like, this is actually so comfy, you guys, because I can just like lounge around the house in this. But then if I went out, I wouldn't feel like uncomfortable because my butt's covered. I'm comfy, I'm cute. I love a monochromatic moment. I need a beanie in berry. I think that would be really cute. And then these little slippers match so well as well. Here's those pants. Aren't these so pretty? So flattering. If you have bigger hips like I do, they're actually very flattering. I actually have the leggings underneath and they kind of like suck you in a little bit more, which is really nice. And then like I have the little berry leggings and then it doesn't show cellulite, which is super awesome. And then they have like a nice little flow. I paired it off with some black shoes because they're pretty long on me. And then this cute little, it's like a V turtleneck sweater. And that's the turtleneck, which is really cute. Comes up nice and high, but it's not itchy. So this is so cute. And then you've got that little bat wing and then the kind of like ribbed detailing on the wrist. It's tight and it has like a little cuff, which is so cute. This is a cute little fall outfit with like a little black bag. I think this would be super adorable. Same sweater, but now I've paired it off with those cute little flare pants. I'm obsessed with these. These are so flattering, so comfortable, so cute. And I actually love the way this little sweater looks with it. I've just paired it off with my burgundy bag. I feel like this is the perfect little fall outfit. I've got those nice big fat chunky black boots on. These do have pockets on the bum. I just cleaned this mirror literally yesterday. Like I don't understand why it's always so freaking dusty in here. But yeah, I love these. I think they're flattering, perfect flare. And then this like sweater accentuates my curves really well. So I feel like this is a super cute. If you are mid-size and curvy, you need this little outfit because this is really cute. I love that when you turn to the side, it has like that little split so it shows off your bum, but then it covers your tum. Winner. Here is those flowy kind of like, what even is this color? It's almost like a burnt sienna kind of color. Huge pockets, love these. I feel like they're really flattering if you are someone who's a little curvier in the hip, if you have like a wider hip. I feel like these balance out the hips really nicely. They do come in. I still have those leggings on. Honestly, guys, I think this is a hack of a lifetime. If you guys have a bit of a lower tum like I do, if you wear these leggings, they're like literally like shapewear for your legs, your butt, your tummy, your everything. So that when you put these flowy pants on, it like hides all the cellulite, it keeps you sucked in. This is a hack. This is a fall hack, you guys. I've paired it off with just a nice white zip up hoodie, some cute little sunglasses, and I feel like this, oh, and some white little, you know, my white sneaks. And I feel like this is actually a really cute little fall, comfortable, running errands, going to the grocery store, grabbing the kids. Everything from Halara is a large. My hoodies kind of change depending on like what kind it is, but yeah, these are a large and they fit perfectly. Okay guys, here is another outfit combo. So I basically just took off those pants because I had these leggings on underneath. Same little zip up hoodie, but I've paired it off with those cute little leggings, the berry ones. I'm like, look how stretchy they are. I love that they do have that little pocket there. I think that's really nice. Pretty opaque considering. I mean, you can see a little bit of cellulite, but it's not terrible. And then I paired it off with those little white leggings. Paired off with this little purse. How cute is that? That is such a cute little fall kind of running errands. Oh, do I have a stain on my boob? Unbelievable. How inconvenient. What a stupid spot. Anyway, cute little outfit for fall. Same white zip up hoodie. I wore this so much like this last winter. this huge, big, oversized vest. I have it in an extra large. It's nice because it comes down past the booty. I really like things to come down past the booty when I'm wearing leggings. I feel very exposed if I don't. Love that crisscross pattern on the tummy. I feel like it's actually really flattering. Definitely get these ones because like they actually hit you where you need it the most, which is like for me, my lower tummy. So I'm obsessed with these. Super thin and lightweight, really comfortable. They literally feel like I'm wearing nothing, but they suck me in like really just a nice amount. So cute, so flattering. I paired it off with those white sneakers again. And that is a cute little fall outfit that is perfect for those chillier days where it's starting to get a little crisp, a little brisk, a little windy. And then you've got a nice big hood as well to just like pop on if it is chilly. And you're so cozy and cute. Okay guys, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I'm actually wearing these leggings today. After trying on all those clothes, I'm seriously so hot and burning up. But I've still got those black leggings on with those little white sneakers, but I've paired it off with this little cloud tee. This actually has a cold material, so when you put it on, it cools you off, which is so nice because I run so hot. So now that I've tried on 8 million things, I'm huffed and puffed, I'm out of shape, and I'm hotter than anything, I'm just gonna wear this. So these cute little leggings, just this nice black tee, super stretchy, super nice material. Love the length of the arms, it's honestly so flattering. A little white ball cap and my white sneakers, and I'm ready to go. And I love that these have those little pockets, you guys. These are so cute, I'm obsessed. And they're not the kind that attract hair or like pet hair, which is really nice. So there's my outfit of the day. Okay guys, there is my Halara try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which thing you liked the most. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Thank you to Halara for gifting me these items, and I'll see you guys in my next one.